Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add items to your cart on Temu. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Temu is an exciting online marketplace that offers a wide variety of products at competitive prices. And if you're ready to dive in and start shopping, in this video I will show you how to uh, add items to cart. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open the Temu apps. After that, you can choose on the items or products that you want to add to your cart. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. Okay, this one. And you'll find there is an option add to cart. You can just tap on that. So the item is added to your cart. You can also add more than one items. For example, I will choose this one. Or you can see in here there's like cart icon. You can just tap on that. You can enter the quantity and the type of the products that you want to add to your cart. After that, you can just edit. And if you want to check your cart, you can see your cart in here. So here's all the items that you have on your cart. It's very simple, right? So that is, if you want to check out the products, you can just choose one of the item or products from your cart and check out. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add items to your cart on Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!